video, how do you turbo Flutter? Keep tuned and check it out. But it kind of does in a way, because it has to be turbo. This is a 3 litre turbo, right? At the moment, she sounds like this. It's not bad, right? But we want it to proper go. Yeah? What do you do? Make yourself a cheese. Can you guess what it is? I'm going to show you anyway. Yes! Look at that, the UT! Brand spanking new. Fresh! Now I'm going to show you how to install it. Right? Let me turn this beast off. Right. All you need on this particular vehicle, Mark III Supra 7M GTE, is a 10mm, maybe a socket, get it on there, and a scuba driver, a trusty Toyota scuba driver. Yeah, we'll undo that. That's gone walkies. Fantastic! Alright, yes, this here 10mm as well anyway is here. I will search for that in a moment. Right, undo that one there. You got your MAF sensor here. Undo that. Right, just pop it out of there. To give it a little twist there and there. Oh, here she comes. And there we go. Well, one airbox out. Simple as that. Pause it for a second. Right, I found my nutter. Anyways, back to the airbox. As I was saying, it's not as simple as that, but yeah, take off these clips like so. It's not bad, still pretty fresh, but I don't want that. And yes, we come to this, right? This is where your scuba diver comes in handy. Flip to flat side. Just push those back slightly. So you can access these nuts. So yeah, obviously, well, I wouldn't say obviously, but yes, the filter is not going to fit direct on that unless you get one what's a square type, but I've never seen a square type one. So you need to make another butter cheese. Let me remove this and I show you. You want to keep your nutters. Now that's off, we come to that. So previously I'd made a purchase on eBay for this fantastic adapter plate. Right, literally all you gotta do, you get a gasket with it, right, pop that onto there like so. I'm putting those on for a reason, because I don't know, I could most probably do without it, but I'm leaving it on because you've still got plenty of room there anyway. Right, yeah, ladies and gents, for this adapter plate, I'll put a link down in the description, so keep an eye on that. Like, it's actually really well made, and it was really reasonable on price. Not just that, it came relatively very quick. I'm going to put these prongs back so the nut does not get loose. And now it's time to put the new shiny. Woohoo! That fits lovely. Right, that's it. All you gotta do, as you can see, the new filter's on. Tighten it up. Right, new filter's in. Have a wee listen.